how are you guys doing? I am going to make a pumpkin puree out of this pumpkin because sometimes the cans are not available and then we are in a dilemma what to do. So let's solve this problem and share the recipe with you guys. I'm going to just cut this and then just cut half. It's a bit hard. So here it is, and now we are just going to clean the seeds. Just take a spoon and clean this, and don't throw these away because we can actually roast them and eat them. So I'm just going to move this and place the pumpkins like this. We'll put it in the oven for 35 minutes. If it's Fahrenheit, it's 400 degree. So this is baked, and now I am going to peel it first and then I'll show you how to mash it. So this is how it looks right now. This is the tray where it came off from, and now we can just use the fork and mash it with this, or we can just use this potato masher. We can use this. We can just remove the skin first. Let's do that, and then we will peel it. It just comes off very easily. So see, this is how it's coming off. Just keep taking it off and easily it just slips off. After that we can just mash it. If there's any sweet potato, we can easily remove it. Okay, now just we have to do this, or we can use the potato masher like this. And after this, if you have a chopper, just put it in a chopper. इसको chopper में डाल लें. Just put it in a chopper and just mash it. It's very easily done with the fork also, so you won't need anything else because it is so soft. And now just put it in this. I'm just using this. I divided them into two jars, and it's easy to mash it. So guys, here is the pumpkin puree, and this is free of all preservatives. This is excellent. You can use it in smoothies, you can make cake, bread, muffins, pancakes, pumpkin pie, whatever you want to make. This is free of all the bad stuff. This is just the clean pumpkin. So this was my recipe for today. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe and leave a comment. What would you like to see? And I will definitely make the video for you. Bye.